Remember to like and subscribe. Today we're going to be doing a super easy and a super cheap little marble tray, and it's going to cost us about $7. You probably already have a lot of this stuff in your house already, but you're going to need rubbing alcohol, paper towels, a tray. Mine was from the thrift store for $1.99, and the $3 marble contact paper I got at Family Dollar. So you're going to start off by cleaning the tray first. So since the contact paper is so much and more than I need, all I'm going to do is wrap it around both sides, and I'm just going to cut out what I think I would need. Even though I know I'm going to keep cutting it, I just cut out a good amount so that I don't have to keep messing with the entire roll. Also, you're going to need like a business card or a debit card or whatever you think, just so you can lay down the contact paper and get all the air bubbles out. So now that I have this centerpiece done, which is easiest, now I'm going to worry about like the corners of the tray. And basically you're just going to wrap it around, and I kind of wrap it like it was a gift. And yeah, so you're just going to wrap it around, cut little slits where you need to, and then press down. Now, when you wrap everything together, there are going to be like little patches. At least when I did it, I had patches. And I'm just going to take other little scraps and just blend it in, because you're not going to really notice it. It's all the same pattern, so it's going to work out and look good. Even though this isn't necessary, I did it because I already cut my contact paper. You can just put more under it so it'll all flow, even though it'll be, down. I just thought it would be cool to fill the entire tray from top to bottom. And here it is, you guys, all done. This is the finished look. I love it so much. It's so cute. I could put my books on it. I have my little flower, my candle, and my jewelry tray. So let me know what you guys think. For $7, I don't think this was bad at all. So like, comment, let me know, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!